Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on the Ally Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ally.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ally Bank website. Now from this page, if you wish to log into your credit card account, first of all, log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your username followed by your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Ally Bank account. After logging into your account, click on credit cards at the top section and now you can choose various options for your card, including payment and activating your card in order to proceed with using your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on Ally Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.